In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon code on hotels.com. If you've got a promo code and want to make sure it actually takes money off your stay, follow along and I'll walk you through the entire booking flow so you see the discount before you pay. First, secure a valid promo code and copy it so it's ready to paste. Codes can come from a promotion page, an email offer, or a reputable deal site. Before you use it, glance at the fine print. Check that it hasn't expired, whether there's a minimum spend, if it applies only to certain countries or currencies, and whether specific properties or room types are excluded. Many coupons work only on Pay Now bookings and won't reduce taxes or fees, so you'll see the discount applied to the room price line. Having the right expectations here avoids surprises later. Next, head to hotels.com on the website or in the app. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests, then run your search. Browse the results and pick a hotel that fits your plans and meets the coupon's conditions. If the offer excludes some properties or requires prepayment, choose a rate that matches those details. Continue into the booking flow by selecting Reserve or Select Room. Proceed through the options until you reach the checkout or payment page. This is where you'll apply the code, so don't worry if you haven't seen a discount yet. On the checkout page, look for the field labeled Apply a Coupon or Enter Promo Code. On the website, it's typically near the total in the price summary before you place the order. In the app, you'll usually find it below the payment details and just before the section for your personal information. Paste your code into that box and tap Apply. Give it a moment, and you should see the total update with the discount clearly reflected. Look for a separate coupon line and a reduced balance due before you pay. If the price doesn't change, double-check for typos or extra spaces, make sure the booking meets the terms, and confirm the code is still active. If a specific room, rate, or location is excluded, choose a qualifying option or try a different valid code. Once your discount appears correctly, complete your payment as usual. Keep your confirmation for your records and enjoy the savings on your stay.